Everyone, Jordy from FocusWorks here, and this is episode 4 of the Road to Blade. It's early on a Saturday here, and I haven't started editing, so the week has been a bit of a blur, so I don't know what's coming up. I will put a bit of a preview right here. Alright, so this week, progress on the Eric's folder is not as much as I would have liked, but I learned something about my computer, my PC here. The Xbox app does screen capture, video screen capture, so I was able to get really good description of what happens on the knife design. So without any further rambling, here it is. So what we got, here's the Eric's. As you can see, I got rid of the inlay pockets on the side. I wasn't really happy with them. They didn't look quite right to me. I increased the amount of curve on the sides. You can see here. I think that's looking pretty good. And then this is the pocket that my pivot is going to go in on this side. I'm going to do something interesting with it. I'm not sure exactly what yet, but it's going to be somewhat interesting. And then we'll flip over here. So this pocket, originally I was just going to do it round, but you know, everyone does round, and then I figured, oh, I'll make it a shape. So, but I was going to do like a peanut shape, but everyone does. Peanut is too easy, in my opinion, for me. So I dropped the peanut shape, and I tried for the Eric's tail pocket clip type shape, but that also, it didn't look good. Actually, it didn't just not look good, it looked awful, really bad. So then I came up with this, and you know what? I am really liking that. So that is the shape of what I want, and I'll be going from there. I think I might put some jimping on the flipper tab, and then I think this needs to blend into the blade a little bit better, the handle here. I'm not sure. Might just be a radius or a curve out, something. I don't know. We'll see what happens. So that is this week's progress. I know it's not a lot, but I'm gonna try it, keep pounding away at it, and show you there. Show you as I go. The daily live videos on Facebook, I show progress fairly regularly, and Wednesdays I actually work on it. So tune in for that. The links will be down below in the comments. Now, on with the show. Alright, so I got something interesting here. Unrelated job. Making these bars. Got a round end on each end, but they have to be a relatively accurate overall length. So these are the prototypes. The way I was doing it, kind of touching and bumping and 5C collet. Right, so the 5C collet. Okay, so the hold on the end, really accurate, holds it well, but let's see, these are a little bit longer, so I'm going to build a stop, a long, deep stop that attaches to 5C collet. So a 5C collet has threads on the inside for screwing in stops. See here. There you go. So, but I need a stop that's out here, right? So what I'm going to do is I'm going to build some tubes that thread in. They're going to be modular. They're going to go 3 inches long. Exactly. So and I'll make a bunch of them so I have them in stock, and I'll be able to screw a proper stop into the end of a stack of them. So if I've got something that's 18 inches long, I can run it in up against the stop and get a consistent length off it. Or if I got something that's this long, I put one insert in, stick the stop in, and then I can run them. So that's my idea. See whether it works. Here's what we finally came up with. Get a focus on that. Yep. So that's what we got. Collet. Screws into the collet. As you can see, I got a bit of a gouge here. I kind of used the wrong threading tool, but it seemed to affect it, so I'm just going to live with that. Put that on. Screw in another one at the end of it. Screw in another one at the end of that one. And stop with a stop screwed into the end of one. Oh yeah! Look at that. Hard up against the shoulder for a stop. Accurate part length. That is music to my ears. We're good. Oh yeah. I am excited. After last week ago, whatever, after my fire disaster from episode 2, I had Lisa weld me up a nice steel
WD-40 jug for doing black tie. So I have cleaned out the inside of it, and now I'm gonna just put like 1/4 inch of WD in there, let it sit for a couple days, make sure it doesn't leak. A whole jug of WD-40 all over the floor is going to take one day. That's it. And hey, so I just had what I hope is a great idea. Make these tiny little inlays for 6 spinners. Anyone who's got a micro is going to recognize these. I need to bead blast some for Dragon Press finish. So they're a pain to bead blast. They're stuck tonight in there. So I just had an idea that I hope is great. That may be useful to someone else. Piece of duct tape, stuck them to the back, curled the end over so hopefully it'll stick-ish to the inside of my glass cabinet, and we'll see what happens. Nicely blasted, not blasted all over the cabinet. I am excited. Woo! So here we are over on the Kitamura, where I'm making Eric's, what are they called? Battery tubes. So I'm going to detach this from the tripod and move in here. So up here, have there, tiny little end mill, right? Same as that tiny little end mill. There. Okay, that one's new. This one is not. So, because what I'm doing is not an accuracy thing, it's mostly cosmetic. It's time to change tools when the part starts feeling prickly. Still a good part, but just a little prickly. I tumble all of these just for a couple of minutes, just take a couple minutes and it smooths it all right out. And so that's how I know when to change parts. Hang on. This thing does not like to focus the way I want it to. So we're going to throw that tool in and probe it on my fancy Renishaw tool setter. Move it over there. Hello. First one, I have two. Actually, I have 3 of these holders, but I keep 2 of them set up with the 1/8 ball mill, so I make the ball end mills. all those, whatever you want to call them, so that I could swap them back in theory. So the window's kind of dirty, but yeah. Need to tell the machine how long the tool is. That's what this tool setter does. And that is the quick and easy way of setting up a tool. That's the show. Hope you enjoyed it. And don't forget to subscribe to the channel so you don't miss any of the episodes of The Road to Blade. And comment, please. Comment. I want to hear what you like, what you don't like. Well, I don't know. Whatever, anything. Interact with me, interact. So, I ordered a new video lens and light and mic today from Amazon because even during editing I noticed that hearing me seems to be a bit of a problem. Should improve the quality of my videos going forward. Come and join me every day at 5 in my Facebook group for a live video. Do live videos, every day, 5 p.m. Pacific time in the FocusWorks group, 4:30 on Wednesdays. I'll put links to Facebook, Instagram, and my website in the comments below. So have a great day, everyone. Thanks for watching again, and we'll see you next week for episode 5.